Hello viewers, welcome to Beat and I'm happy to share with you today just a quick way how to use WebDriverManager in Selenium. It's been a long time and I'm happy to share another video with you today, and today is going to be a quick one. And let's get started. In order to create a driver object for any browser, normally when you're writing a test, you have to instantiate a driver. You have to download a driver.exe file and add it to the directory of your browsers of your project. And so that means you download every browser you need to use. You have to download the driver, e.g. Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and IE. And it is being used the way it's been used to download the exe file and add it to your project. And by setting the system the set property in your file in your test. And the advantage of using the driver manager is to avoid the issue of storing your drivers locally in your project. So today we are going to be going over these 4 steps alone, and it's going to be a quick one to run over creating Maven project and adding WebDriver Manager dependencies and Selenium dependencies, and also instantiate the WebDriver object with a browser of choice and create a simple test to launch the application. Already, well, let me start by creating walk you through creating a Maven project. Click on Maven. I will choose a new one. So I will choose this one. Then go straight. I do web UI. I finish. Web UI is already created. This is our Maven project. It comes with this folder structures. You see this main Java test, and today is not a Maven class, so today is just about the WebDriver Manager. So open your pom.xml file. There is where we had all the dependencies that you know you will need for your project. As you're needing the dependency, you had it there. So I already have some dependencies that are very useful to this. The first dependency is going to be our Selenium dependency, Selenium Java. Then the second one, Selenium Chrome. Then the third one, our main WebDriver Manager dependency. Then test engine dependency. And you can always download all the dependency from this Maven repository. Any dependency from Maven is stored in this place. So you can see this link, just copy, go to the link and browse away. For now, I will just copy this dependency to be fast. I add it to my project file. So this is my project file. So I'll just add it to it. So it's been added already. Yeah, so I will delete these packages, create our own package, and go to the test and delete the package. So you can update your project now. Look at my project here. So here it is. This dependency have been added to my pom.xml file, so we can tick off now. Now let's right click on the test Java folder and create a package. Just create like a base package. Yeah, package has been created. In the package, you can right click and create. Instead of creating normal Java class, we are creating a test engine file, because that is going to be our test engine where we write our test cases. So we name the test engine class, and maybe simple test. We name it simple test. Then TestNG has a lot of annotations, because we are not dealing with TestNG today, but we're going to choose before class, which is an after class, and I will explain that to us. So today, here's our TestNG class we created. So in TestNG, any annotation with @test, that is the main test. So let's name this. This one is just to launch our app, and that's going to be the name of our test. So any annotation, any function, or any method that you annotate with test in TestNG is the main test that will be run. And any annotation that any method that you annotate with before class, that means is the function is going to run before any classes, before any class, before this class in that application, and any method that you annotate with add after class, that means it's going to run after every class method is performed. So we put this as like theater. Today is not about testing it, so I'm just making it faster. It's just to breeze us through. So, and next, I like to create my driver object, private WebDriver. WebDriver is go to driver. Then it will ask us to import. Now, import from this. Good, it's import. Now we go to our setup. We call our WebDriverManager. WebDriverManager. WebDriverManager Firefox. You can see, let me go again. WebDriverManager. You can see all the driver for the browsers. We have Chrome driver, we have Opera, Phantom, but we're using Firefox driver. Then you click the setup method. Excellent. Now we instantiate the browsers by calling our driver object. Let's go to new web driver manager, new Firefox, sorry, Firefox driver. Now since we're using Firefox, then if you access to import this as well. So let's go to import this. Now we've import. Now let's get the directory, the URL of the page we want to .get class we want to open. So now this is directory. This is the page we want to open today. Just a simple test for us. Let's copy this, put it in here. Let me reduce this. So now next we call driver object driver.manage .window, then maximize. To maximize the window, driver.manage .window manage .time. We call the timeout method. We call the implicit wait method. We give it 10 seconds. Time unit .second. So now this is a setup method. This instantiate Firefox driver. This is a call to open our application on the test. Then driver to maximize. This run to set a timer. So, and under the theater, after all this method is being performed, we call the driver method to quit the application. So now is our main test. Our main test is to system. Just want to get just a simple test here. System.out print ln. So let's just get our driver object here to now driver. We get the title of the page title. Just print. So we can write in. So, and we can just write a page title, and you can get the URL that we have, system.out.print ln. The current URL is this. The driver to get current URL. So it's going to give us the current URL of the site. UMI. Yeah. It's going to give us the current URL of this page. Now we've done our setup with WebDriverManager. This method is to instantiate the WebDriverManager and instantiate the Firefox driver, get the URL that we are testing, then driver set the maximize window, then give it an implicit wait. Then here is after this test is run, you quit the web browsers, and that's what it's going to do now. Now this test is just to get our page title and to get the current URL. Now we can right click on it, and it's going to give us an option to run as test engine instead of Java class. Now it should run. Here we are running. Here, and our test passed. The page title is this demo, current is this, then passed. This is the name of our test launch hub. Thank you. Here comes the end of this simple tutorial of how to use WebDriverManager. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Thank you.